Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the key model and battery type, because batteries vary. Most Bentleys use CR2032, but check stamping. Use a small flathead or plastic pry tool to separate halves. Pry gently at the seam to avoid plastic clips breaking. Once done, lay internals on a cloth and note which side faces up so you can restore polarity. Make sure to remove rings or attachments that add torque. This prevents accidental slipping while you open the fob. You now remove the old battery using a plastic tool to prevent shorting, lift the cell gently from its clip, and discard it properly. Then position the new CR2032 so the plus side matches the marking. Polarity matters for the transmitter to function. Once placed, press contacts gently to ensure a snug fit. If contacts are dirty, clean them with a 90% isopropyl swab to restore conductivity. After that, briefly test the fob function before reassembly to confirm success. You finish by aligning the two halves and snapping them together. Press around the seam until all clips engage. Do not force a misaligned shell. Once assembled, test every button and verify remote lock/unlock range and proximity start if applicable. Walk a few meters away to confirm signal strength. If it fails, reopen and reseat the battery, clean contacts, and double-check polarity. One key troubleshooting tip: if the fob still fails, try a different new battery brand to rule out defective cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.